We are a part of the aerodynamics club of BITS Goa, and what we do is to follow our passions. What we do is we make planes and we fly them day and night, and we research a lot on planes. We research on different kinds of planes. We build lots of different kinds of planes. So, you know, one day we thought, why not make a plane in which maybe you are the pilot, maybe you are sitting inside the cockpit, and you get to fly the plane. So we thought of making an FPV glider. Uh, it's the first person view glider in which you have a camera attached to the glider, and then you have a headset in which you get live view. So it's an immersive experience. You are inside the cockpit of the plane. You have all control of pan and tilt. You can look left, right, up, down. You can roll, and you get an immersive feeling with audio. So you're inside the plane. It's like a dream come true at a very small scale.
It's like you get a view, an eagle eye view of everything. The plane is flying, you basically feel like you're the plane. Because it's a very immersive feel, like you get the audio, you get the feel of the wind, you even get the way the plane moves. Suppose you make a roll, you even tilt your head like, oh, like, and then the person, it's like, it's a very immersive thing.
Yes, and this is not it. We've been flying multi rotors, vertical takeoff landing vehicles, really fast planes, really acrobatic planes. We've been doing acrobatics since a very long time, and our club has been existent since the past 4 years, and I think we've come a long way from where we started. And I would also like to dedicate this to our founder, Harsha Vardhan Sripati.
Yeah, and not only we have built a lot of planes, we have actually been to different campuses and built plane in other colleges as well. Recently, we had a Pilani tour in which we went and built plane. And for the coming next semester, we have lot of things to plan. And we don't have time to manage so many things at the moment. And I think we are really getting to this profession of aero modeling. And from the day when we started doing this thing, we really are interested in this. And I think it's a great experience for us to try these things new. And as we told you about the HV systems like this, we have so many new things planned. And we are sure that in the coming few years, we want to go really high. It has been a really nice journey and
Yes.
we have enjoyed a
Yeah.
lot. The main thing is that we have enjoyed.
It's fun.
It's a fun thing, and at the same time, it's engineering college, so we are
Yeah.
doing extreme engineering at the same time we're enjoying. That's the
It
main
started
part.
off as a hobby and now it's gone to much bigger things.
and our motto, get high legally.
Legally.
Well, we have Fazil Kapadia and Bilal Maqsood of Strings fame. We'll just chat with them. Sir, how does it feel to be in Goa, first of all? I know you've been in past, but now
It feels great. You know, this is a very popular city, and I think the credit goes to you all, the people who live here, because you guys are full of energy. And I think tourists also come here because they see that warmth in the people around here. And that's what we saw, we felt. Really excited about tonight's performance. This is the first ever performance in Goa. So let's hope we all have a great time tonight.
Strings have made a name for themselves. Where did it all started actually? I remember I've read something about you starting in the college as a college band. I just want you to know, tell the viewers as well, how did it all started?
I think when we started, I think you weren't even born then. It all started in 1989. And
I was born then.
You were? How old? You were 2 years old? 8. Okay. Well, like all college bands, strings started playing in college festivals and college gigs. And from there, that was a time when a lot of bands were coming up in Pakistan, and strings was just one of them. From there, we got a deal with EMI Pakistan, and we released our first album, then second album. Then Sar Ki Pahar, one of our songs, somehow crossed the border and became a big song in India. And that's how you guys came to know about us. And from there onwards, then Dur happened, Dhani happened, Koi Aane Wala Hai.
You are an inspiration to millions of your fans. Who is your inspiration, both of you?
It's a great compliment if we are. But of course, we all listen to music. Music is a very integral part. And as musicians, I think Bilal and myself, we met in college, but before that, we had very similar inspirations. Like, I used to listen to classical music. He also had his ears for classical music. Then the 80s rock music, people like Bon Jovi and Aerosmith and Def Leppard and all these kinds. Of course, Madonna, Michael Jackson, everybody. And a very magical era of Kishore Kumar and R.D. Burman. So basically, music has been there. It's just you can't pinpoint that, okay, what singer actually inspired you to become a singer or what composer inspired him to become a composer. But good melody around you, that's a huge source of inspiration.
Tell me something about the Bollywood factor with you. How does it feel to be part of the Bollywood team and come up with obviously it goes to the masses. How does it feel to sing for a Bollywood film?
I think when we sang Zinda, that was our first Bollywood song. We were really, really excited because definitely Bollywood is a huge platform, and once you are in that zone, then the whole world watches you. They suddenly know who Strings is, and Zinda happened to us in 2005, 2006, and then again we did a song for Shootout Lokhandwala. And now, hopefully, if everything goes well, we are making a couple of songs for Shootout at Wadala. Again, the same team, Sanjay Gupta, he's a great friend, and he really believes in our music. He loves our songs, loves our sound. So every time we work with him, he tells us that you guys have to stick to your original sound. Don't go the Bollywood way. Okay, I want strings. So that's a very,
He's told me about the Bollywood factor, Hollywood factor, Spider-Man 2. How was it?
Yeah, that was unreal for us because you, as musician of subcontinent, of course, nowadays you think that okay, want to do one day want to do a song for Bollywood, but you never think of Hollywood. And at that time, of course, we never thought about it, and it just came, and we were just shocked, and we were still shocked that how it happened. But I think it's one of the thing what we have done in our whole lifespan, that Spider-Man 2 association with that Columbia TriStar movie. That's huge. That's one thing that our grandchildren can also remember and say that okay, they all did that.
Before we leave, I want to track. Obviously, I'll get to listen to Spider-Man 2 ka track, but one of my personal favorite is of Zinda. Ye hai meri kahani. Can we have a little bit of glimpses for me and my Prudent Media viewers? A little bit of it, little, just 2 lines. Okay.
चुपते कांटे यादों के दामन से चुनता हूँ, गिरती दीवारों के आंचल में जिंदा हूँ.
Well, that's all from me and my camera person Tulsidas Chari and Prajot Pendekar reporting from Waves 2012 Bits Pilani. If you have your college event to be covered, mail me at features@prudentmedia.in. Until we meet next time, it's me Rohit signing off. Take care, goodbye and stay young.